What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rashonda Shanice, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on this easy, fun look that you can wear during the holidays. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stay tuned.
Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home, walk in contradiction, get some factual and fiction. A little crazy, little sexy, little cool, little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth.
So I'm first going to start off by priming the face. I did my eyebrows off camera. The primer that I'll be using is the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm going to also apply this over my lid because the eyeshadow that I'll be using, the James Charles collection, he said during his review on the product that it will only work its best if you prime the eye. So that's exactly what I'm going to do using this Maybelline Master Prime. I'm going to then go in and set it using the MAC Mineralizer Skin Finish powder, and it's in the color Deep. So here's the James Charles collection. I love it. It's very beautiful. I'm going to go in and set it using the eye using the Flashback as my first eyeshadow. And I'm just putting this all over the eye. I'm then going to go in with like a fluffy brush using the color 10% Off. And I'm using this pretty much as a transition color because it's kind of like an orange. So after that, I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going in with the color Boutique, and I'm pretty much placing this a little bit above my lid and kind of just blending it in with that transition color. So after I'm done with that, I'm just going in with this darker, it's not black, it's a really dark kind of like gray color. The name of it is Benny, and I'm starting that on my outer lid and just kind of bringing it into my crease just to kind of give it like a semi smoky eye, but not too much of a smoky eye. And I'm just going to blend that all out. And then I'm just going back in and just kind of blending it all out. After that, I'm going in with the color Shook, and I'm using a flat brush. I think this is a MAC. I'm not exactly sure the number. I'll list everything in the description box. But I'm going in with the color Shook, and I'm applying that all over the lid. This color was so cute. Now I'm just pretty much just blending it all together. You want to make sure that you pat this color on, at least do more than one layer. I think I did maybe 3 to achieve the look that I was going for. You want that color to show because it's so cute and it blends with the other colors very well. So as you can see, I did the other eye off camera, and I'm just going to go and complete my face pretty much as usual. I'm starting off with the color corrector, just pretty much getting rid of all the unwanted like discoloration and dark marks that's on my face. So after that, I'm then going in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the color NW58, using that as my foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up for you guys. So after I blend that all out, I'm then going in using my Maybelline concealer in the color Hazelnut. I'm using that pretty much under my eyes and all the places that I want to pretty much highlight. Under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, my chin, forehead. You know, girls, the basics. Hey, 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 hey. You know us girls love to jam to our music as we beating our face down. Don't act like I'm the only one. There I go again. I had to be listening to some Nicki Minaj. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown loose powder in the color Basic, pretty much using that. It's Basic Brown, sorry. Pretty much using that to set and bake my highlights. I'm then going in using the Black Radiance True Complex Contour Palette in the color medium to deep. And I'm going to use that to contour my face. I'm just taking my beauty blender, blending that all out. I did put a little around the bridge of my nose. My camera clicked off for some reason while I was trying to show you guys how I outlined my nose using the contour. I'm then going in using this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. And I'm going for a very thin, small wing. I wanted to do a wing, but not too dramatic. So I'm doing like a thin wing. Okay, I'm then going in with my Ardell lashes. These are lashes that I have for quite some time. And then I'm testing out the MAC Holiday Shiny Pretty Little Thing palette. I'm first using this dark medium deep color in this color So Glow. And I'm using that pretty much to kind of set my contour. So I'm putting it everywhere I place the contour to kind of set it in. And they said that this is a skin finish as well. So let's see how it goes. Ay, ay, ay. I'm then going to go in with the blush, and the blush is in the color Corolla, and it's also a skin finish. Yeah, this is MAC's Holiday palette. It's called Shiny Pretty Things. It's pretty cute. I love the packaging. I'm then going to use this last color. It's like a bronzer in the color Quick Trip. And I'm going to use that as a highlight. I'm not going to do too much of a highlight because I want to keep this look kind of simple. So I'm only going to highlight my cheeks and a little bit under my brow bone. Today I will not be highlighting the bridge of my nose. Another thing that I did off camera was go back in with that MAC mineralizer skin finish and kind of use my beauty blender to pretty much blend out the contour a little bit more using that, and also where I place the highlight underneath my contour. Here I'm just going in using that same Soul Glow to kind of set the contour down the bridge of my nose. Okay, so for the lips, I am using NYX matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. And after I line my lips, I'm then going to go in with this Maybelline Superstay MAC ink in the color Voyage. I love, love, love this lippy. I mean, it doesn't smudge. It doesn't come off at all. At night, when it's time to take this lippy off, I literally have to get like some olive oil and a makeup wipe just to remove it. It stays on 24 hours. I did a few test wears. It doesn't smudge on your teeth or anything. They have so many colors. I will recommend this lippy to everyone. Okay, guys, then I'm just going to set it using the NYX Matte Finish Finny Matte Setting Spray. Now, this is what's going to separate your makeup from basic to baddie. Once this dry, it gives it an ultimate finish. Okay, guys, so here's the final look with a little bit better lighting. And you just let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.